Wow, that was absolutely wonderful. Thank you, our tiny dancers. Truly fill the stage with innocence and devotion. Such a beautiful tribute to the Lord. Their smiles, their grace, and their innocent charm made this performance extra special. Let's give them one more big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to the witness amazing performance of our little stars. Up next, we have a powerful performance by our HKG students. These little stars are all set to take the stage by storm with the high energy song Aram Hai Prachand. This song is just not a melody, it's a spirit, a celebration of courage and enthusiasm. And trust us, our little warriors are ready to show you their strength and zeal. So without further ado, let's cheer I Am Champions as they bring the stage to life. Put your hands together for the HKG section. Let's make some noise and encourage them.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी के गुहार दो मान बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
And their teachers for putting together such a fantastic act that was truly spectacular. Stay tuned everyone, there is so much more to come. Before we dive into the performances and celebration, we would like to take a moment to introduce the incredible theme that is both timeless and inspiring. Adi Kavya, the journey of Ram. The term Adi Kavya translates to the first epic. It is not merely a story, but a guiding light of virtue, love, and devotion.
As Tulsidas beautifully said, राम नाम मनी धीप तरु जिह दोहरी द्वार तुलसी थीतल बाहिरो जो चाहेस उजियार. This means keep the lamp of Lord Ram's name at the doorway of your heart and let it brighten your inner and outer world. Through this theme, we aim to bring to life the epic journey of Ram with captivating performances, soulful music, and vibrant storytelling. You will witness the valor of Ram, the wisdom of Sita, the devotion of Hanuman, and the strength of human spirit.
So get ready to immerse yourself in this divine odyssey, where every performance will unfold a new chapter of Adi Kavya, the journey of Ram.
As someone beautifully said, राम इसलिए नहीं पूजे जाते कि उन्होंने कौशल्या की कोख से जन्म लिया. राम इसलिए पूजे जाते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने वनवास देने वाली केकई को भी कौशल्या जितना आदर दिया.
राम इसलिए नहीं पूजे जाते क्योंकि उन्होंने जानकी जैसी देवी से विवाह रचाया. राम इसलिए पूजे जाते हैं क्योंकि समाज द्वारा ठुकराई गई अहिल्या जैसी स्त्री को भी उन्होंने देवी कहकर बुलाया.
राम इसलिए नहीं पूजे जाते कि उन्होंने सोने की लंका जीत ली. राम इसलिए पूजे जाते हैं कि अपनी अयोध्या के लिए, अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए, अपने बाहुबल से जीती हुई सोने की लंका भी उन्होंने त्याग दी.
राम इसलिए नहीं पूजे जाते क्योंकि वह भगवान थे. राम इसलिए पूजे जाते हैं क्योंकि वह मर्यादा में रहने वाले इंसान थे. So dear audience, sit back, relax and immerse yourself in the magic of Adi Kavya. Let this evening be a celebration of culture, tradition and timeless values.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज
A big round of applause for a wonderful performance. That was truly divine. Their graceful moves and the heartfelt devotion in their dance left us all spellbound. Our next performance is a unique presentation, a serene yoga performance set to the powerful and uplifting Ram Anthem. This performance is not just a display of physical postures, but a spiritual experience that aligns the mind, body, and soul. Please put your hands together to welcome our young yogis on stage for the Ram Anthem Yoga performance.
के राम विराजो अपने धाम, विराजो अपने धाम। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, हे भारत के राम विराजो अपने धाम, विराजो अपने धाम। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, हे मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम तुम्हें बारंबार प्रणाम, बारंबार प्रणाम। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, से कण कण पूरित राम लला मंदिर में बसे हैं, राम लला मंदिर में बसे हैं। आशाओं के दीप जले हैं, राम राज्य के स्वप्न सजे हैं, राम राज्य के स्वप्न सजे हैं। सौरभ सौरभ मन का उपवन हर्षित सुघोषा, हे भारत के राम विराजो अपने धाम, विराजो अपने धाम। जय श्री राम, जय राम, जय श्री राम, जय राम। वर्णानाम् अर्थ संधानाम् रसानां छन्दसामपि मंगलानां च कर्तारम् वन्दे वाणी विनायकम्। ओ राम राष्ट्र भारत से देखो, राम राज्य का बिगुल बजेगा, राम राज्य का बिगुल बजेगा। राम कृपा से भारत फिर से सारे विश्व का गुरु बनेगा, सारे विश्व का गुरु बनेगा। है आतंक से मुक्ति दिलाएगा रघुवर गाना, हे भारत के राम विराजो अपने धाम, विराजो अपने धाम। जय श्री राम, जय राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय भारत की माला दीन दयाला कौसल्या हितकारी, हर्षित महतारी मुनि मनहारी, अद्भुत रूप विचारी। जुग जुग से हमने पलक बिछाई, तुम्हारी
students. A big round of applause for our young performers and their mentors.
Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Today is a special day, a day of joy, achievements and celebration for our young scholars. It's time for the secondary prize distributions for our students. We invite our esteemed guest and honorable director sir and director ma'am to felicitate our young achievers with their certificates. A big round of applause for them.
The winners from Campus 1 who have shown remarkable talent in secondary section are as follows. Coming up first from class 6A, Dhruv Singh, who got first position in face painting. I request the parents to please clap. Khushi Badana, who got second position in face painting and second position in kite making. I request the parents to please clap for these second position in face painting. I request the parents to please clap for these students. From class 6th B, Parth Devatwal, who got first position in science exhibition and first rank in the academics. I request the parents to please clap for these students. They have showcased amazing talent. Manav Singh, who got second position in science exhibition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings means a lot. Manav Singh, who got second position in science exhibition. I request all of you to please clap for these students. These students have showcased amazing talent. Devanshi, who got first position in face painting. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings means a lot. Vishrut Yadav, who got second position in face painting. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Rahul Gujar, who got first position in kite making. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings will encourage these students to do better. From class 7th A, Garvit Marothia, who got first position in science exhibition. Kelvin Jain, who got second position in science exhibition. Anil Gena, who got second position in science exhibition. Sachin Kumar Gupta, who got first position in face painting and first position in kite making competition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. They have showcased amazing talent in various competitions. Aditya Maluka, who got second position in face painting competition. Bhumika, who got second position in the academics. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings means a lot for these students. Next, from 7th B, Kushal Kumar Mundir, who got first position in science exhibition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Next, Devansh Gupta, who got second position in science exhibition, first position in inter-house debate competition under 14, and first rank in the academics. I request the parents to please clap for these multi-talented students who have shown amazing talent. Ankit Kharol, who got second position in face painting. Ankit Kharol, who got second position in face painting. Jyoti Gujar, who got first position in kite making competition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings will encourage them. Next, from class 8th, Dhairya Paliwal, who got first position in science exhibition. Your clappings will encourage them. Payal, who got second position in science exhibition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Palak Fijonia, who got second position in science exhibition and second position in face painting. These students have showcased amazing talents. I request the parents to please clap. Chandresh Dhaliwal, who got second position in face painting. Ujjwal Mishra, who got first position in kite making competition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings will encourage them. From 9th class, Megha, who got second position in science exhibition. These students have truly showcased amazing talents. Vansh Sharma, who got first position in science exhibition and first position in inter-house English debate competition under 19. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Bhumika Sharma, who got first position in photography competition and second position in inter-house debate competition Hindi under 19. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Nitika Sharma, who got second position in photography competition. These students have showcased amazing talents. I request you to please clap for them. Deven Barodia, who got first position in inter-house English debate competition under 19. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Vanshika Vishwakarma, who got first position in kite making competition. Coming up next from class 10, Laksh, who got first position in science exhibition. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings means a lot to these students. Ayush Savaria, who got first position in science exhibition and first position in photography competition. Your clappings will encourage them. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Ratnesh Verma, who got second position in science exhibition. Your clappings will encourage our students to do better in the future. Keshav Dadich, who got second position in science exhibition. I request the parents to please clap. Vivek Jyotiana, who got second position in photography competition and first position in face painting competition. Naman Kumar, who got first position in inter-house Hindi debate competition under 19. I request the parents to please clap.
Now it's time for Campus 2 prize distribution ceremony in various categories. First of all, from 6th class, Siddharth got first position in face painting. Jessica Kumari got second position in face painting competition. Arjun Khatana got first position in kite making competition. Abhishek Rawat got second position in kite making competition. Tamanna Rawat got first position in academics. Abhishek Yadav got second position in academics. I request all the parents to please clap. From 7th class, Chetna Kumari got first position in face painting. Ishika Kurdia got second position in face painting competition. Ishika Kumari got first position in kite making competition. Shushmita Nath got second position in kite making competition. Vanisha got second position in inter-school debate competition in English. Manisha Kumari is the first ranker in academics. I request all the parents to please clap. Your clapping means a lot to this young star. Kavita Rawat got second position in academic. Kritika Joshi got second position in Hindi debate inter-school competition. I request all the parents to please clap. From 8th class, Yuv Chania got first position in face painting, first position in kite making and first in science exhibition. Avinash Rawat got second position in face painting competition. Tanisha Rawat got second position in kite making competition. Hemlata Rawat got second position in science exhibition. From 9th class, Shubham Rawat got first position in photography competition. Shivani Rawat got second position in photography competition. Sandhya Rawat got first position in kite making competition. Kajal Rawat got second position in kite making competition. In science exhibition. Sanjana Rawat got second position in science exhibition. Kanishka Bhatia got second position in science exhibition. From 10th class, Khushbu Rawat got second position in photography competition. Kartik Saini got first position in science exhibition. Sannu Rawat got second position in science exhibition. Parents, please clap. These are the young stars of our institution. Your clapping means a lot to them. From 11th Commerce, Yash Rathi got first position in photography competitions. Simran Chinta got second position in photography competition. From 11th Humanities, Aditya Prajapati got first position in photography competition. Tanisha Sharma got second position in photography competition. From 11th Science, Yash Todiwal got first position in photography competition. Rohit Bairwa got second position in photography competition. Kartik Vaishnav got first position in photography competition. Rahul Singh Rawat got second position in photography competition. From 12th Science, Sohani Rawat got first position in photography competition. Vandana Rawat got second position in photography competition. Shashank Verma got first position in science exhibition. Hayang Vaishnav got first position in science exhibition. Pratap Singh got first position in science exhibition. Virendra Acharya got first position in science exhibition. Abha Sharma got second position in science exhibition. Geetansh got second position in science exhibition. Akshay Yadav got second position in science exhibition. I request the parents, please clap. Renuka got second position in science exhibition. Anshu Soni got second position in science exhibition. Shreya Gaur got second position in science exhibition. Divya Jangi got second position in science exhibition. Akshat Yadav got second position in science exhibition. From 12th Humanities, Bhavna Rawat got second position in photography competition. From 12th Commerce, Brajansh Gehlot got first position in photography competition. Kartik Sinsinwar got second position in photography competition.
Now we have prize distribution in best performance in various categories. Coming up first is for 100% attendance in session 2024-25, Bhavika Raghav from class 2nd B, who got 100% attendance in whole session. I request everyone to please clap for these students who have showcased amazing talents. Bhavika Raghav from class 2nd B, who got 100% attendance. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Dhruvi Raghav from class 3rd A, who got 100% attendance. Purvanshi Chitodia, who got from class 3rd B. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Parikshit Jonwal from class 6th A. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Sonakshi from class 6th A. These students have shown true dedication. Ajay Mali from class 7th A. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Anil Gena from class 7th A. Birju Gena from class 7th A. I request you all to please clap for these students. Vansh Sharma from class 9th. Bhumika Sharma from class 9th. I request parents to please clap for these students. Chitransha from class 10th. Now the memento for all-rounder category will be given. In sub-junior category, it goes to Chitransh Singh from class 5th A. I request the parents to please clap for these students. These students have truly shown amazing talent and all-rounder performance whole year. I request the parents to please clap for these students. Your clappings means a lot. In all-rounder category, in sub-junior category goes to Yashvi Chaudhary from class 7th B. All-rounder performance in junior category goes to Vansh Sharma from class 9th. These students truly showcased amazing talents the whole year. Now the momentum for best category goes to Jivika Savaria from class 5th A. I request the parents to please clap for these students. They have truly shown amazing talent the whole year and made all of us very proud. They have fulfilled their duties amazingly. Next, best class representative from senior category goes to Niharika Tawar from class 9th. Best in charge from senior category goes to Naman Kumar from class 10th. I request the parents to please clap.
It's time to honor the best in charges from Campus 2 for their tireless effort. Best in charges from sub-junior category Janshi Kurdia from 5th class. Best in charge from junior category Tamanna Rawat from 6th class. I request the parents to please clap. Your clapping means a lot to these young stars. Best in charge from senior category Shubham Kumar from 11th Science. The student who shown incredible commitment by being present every single day in session 2024-25 and the 100% award goes to Miss Devanshi Joshi from 11th Science. We proudly present the All-Rounder Awards for Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior sections. In Sub-Junior sections, Palak from 5th class. All-Rounder from Junior section, Manisha Kumari from 7th class. From senior section, Pallavi from 11th Humanities.
And now, the moment for which we all are waiting.
Scholarship students. Now it's time to honor our deserving students from both the campus with scholarship of 2024-25 in academics and sports. Firstly, we focus to the stars of the sports field. These young athletes have made our institution proud in various sports. From first campus, Pratik Dhaval in skating from 8th class. Hanish Sonwal in skating from 10th class. Vivek Jyotiana in skating from 10th class. They all are selected for states tournament. Now moving on to Campus 2 sports stars in junior category. First of all, I call Arjun Khatana from 6th class in skating. From senior category, Pallavi from 11th Humanities in Karate. She won gold medal in district and selected for state tournaments. Janvi Chandel from 11th Humanities in Karate. She grabbed first position in state tournament and selected for national. Coming up to this year, academic scholarship goes to students for the outstanding achievement who has got 80% and above. First of all, Aditya Singh Rawat, Akshara Rawat, Bhumi, Bharat Kurdia, Bhumika Rawat, Devanshi Joshi, Divyansh Soni, Harshit Detwal, I request all the parents to please clap. G.R. Rawat, Jassu, Kartik Vaishnav, Khushi Rawat, Kunal Singh Rawat, Komal Rawat, Nupur Panwaria, Mahim Mangal, Rahul Singh Rawat, Renu Rawat, Renu Rawat, Rohit Singh Rawat. I request parents to please clap. These are the students, those who have got the above 80%. Sapna Rawat, Siddharth Nath, Sonu Rathore, Simran Chauhan, Sonam Detwal, Sonia Maluka, Tanisha Sharma, Vanshika Sharma, Vivek Komal,
And now, the moment for which we all are waiting, the memento for Best Club from Campus 1. The memento for Best Club from Campus 1 goes to Maths Club. I request Chetna ma'am, the in-charge teacher of Maths Club, to please come on stage and receive the memento. And finally, the time to announce Best House. The memento goes to Bhish House. I request Nitima Sharma ma'am, the in-charge teacher of Bhishma House, to come on stage and receive the honor. I request the parents to please clap.
turn from Campus 2. The award for the best club in the primary section goes to Maths Club. And I request Deepa Chaudhary ma'am, in charge ma'am, to come on stage and receive the award. Congratulations ma'am. The moment we have all been waiting for, the award for the best house goes to Arjun House. I request Deepika Chauhan ma'am to come on stage and receive the award. Congratulations ma'am. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Congratulations to all the winners. Now it's time to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests. To honor their presence and contribution, I request respected Director Sir, Director Ma'am to do the honor. Thank you you, esteemed guests. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly take your seat. Thank you, Mr. Aditya Garg ji, for gracing this occasion with your presence. We truly appreciate your time and support. The journey of Adi Kavya continues, and we promise many more captivating performances ahead. So stay with us.
उद्रतरणं लंकापुरी ध्यानं पश्चात रावण कुंभकर्णं हननम् एतद्धि रामायणम्।
जब अधम अपने चरम पर पहुंचता है तो धर्म की स्थापना के लिए प्रभु अवतार लेते हैं। सत्य, असत्य, धर्म और अधर्म के इस महायुद्ध में विजय हमेशा सत्य की होती है।
ये कहानी है मेरे प्रभु श्री राम की, उनकी जो मानव से भगवान बन गए, जिनका जीवन था मर्यादा का उत्सव और नाम था राघव,
जिनके धर्म ने तोड़ दिया अधर्म का अहंकार। गाथा उस रघुनंदन की युग युगांतर से जीवित और जागृत ये कहानी है रामायण की।
शुरुआत करते हैं अयोध्या नगरी से, जिसे धर्म, सत्य और मर्यादा की नगरी कहा जाता है। सरयू नदी के तट पर स्थित एक दिव्य और अद्भुत नगरी थी। यह नगरी राजा दशरथ के राज्य की राजधानी थी और त्रेता युग में इसे धरती पर स्वर्ग माना जाता था।
अयोध्या के राजा दशरथ अत्यंत धर्मप्रिय और न्यायप्रिय थे, लेकिन उनकी कोई संतान नहीं थी। अपने वंश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उन्होंने श्री ऋषि वशिष्ठ के मार्गदर्शन में पुत्रेष्टि यज्ञ कराने का निश्चय किया। श्री ऋषि वशिष्ठ के मार्गदर्शन में पुत्रेष्टि यज्ञ संपन्न हुआ और फलस्वरूप अग्निदेव प्रकट हुए। अग्निदेव ने अयोध्या के राजा दशरथ को दिव्य खीर प्रसाद रूप में दी।
इस प्रसाद के प्रभाव से माता कौशल्या ने प्रभु श्री राम को चैत्र मास के शुक्ल पक्ष की 9वीं तिथि को जन्म दिया। 9वीं तिथि मधुमास पुनीता, शुक्ल पक्ष अभिजीत हरिपिता, मध्य दिवस अति शीत न धामा, पावन काल लोक वृषामा। त्रेता युग की वह पावन घड़ी जब समर षष्ठी आनंद के रंग में रंगी हुई थी। अयोध्या नगरी जो सूर्यवंश की महिमा से जगमगाती थी, एक अद्वितीय घटना का साक्षी बनने वाली थी। तो आइए उस क्षण का आनंद लेते हैं जब भगवान श्री राम ने इस धरा को नमन करते हैं।
जन्मी अवध में राम मंगल गौरी, दो सबको ये पैगाम घर घर जोरी। जन्मी अवध में राम मंगल कौशल्या रानी को सब दो बधाई, आई रे आई घड़ी शुभ ये आई। मिलके चलो रघुधाम संग मेरे आओरी, मिलके चलो रघुधाम संग मेरे आओरी। जन्मे अवध में राम मंगल गौरी, दो सबको ये पैगाम घर घर जोरी। राम लला के दर्शन कर लो, पग पंकज में माथा धर लो। पावन है इनका नाम पल पल ध्यारी, पावन है इनका नाम पल पल ध्यारी। जन्मे अवध में राम दशरथ के अंगना बजी शहनाई, दुल्हन की जैसी अयोध्या सजाई। खुशियों की है ये शाम, दीप जलाओ रे। खुशियों की है ये शाम, दीप जलाओ रे। जन्मे अवध में राम, मंगल गाओ रे। दो सबको ये पैगाम, घर घर जाओ रे। जन्मे अवध में राम, मंगल गाओ रे। दो सबको ये पैगाम, घर घर जाओ रे। जन्मे अवध में राम, मंगल गाओ रे। दो सबको ये पैगाम, घर घर जाओ रे।
ऋषि विश्वामित्र और ताड़कावत घटनाएं घटित होती है। यह प्रसंग श्री राम के वनगमन के समय उनके करुणा, धर्म और मर्यादा की स्थापना का अद्भुत उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करते हैं।
रामुनि तो सिखावे, मारु ताड़का संदेह न भावे। रघुपति बाण लागे धावु, परि भूमि बिसे करि गावु। ताड़कावत के बाद श्री राम, लक्ष्मण और विश्वामित्र ने मिथिला की ओर प्रस्थान किया। मार्ग में वह गौतम ऋषि के आश्रम पहुँचे, जहाँ शीला बनी अहिल्या तपस्या कर रही थी। कवनी तवसा मुनि कहे पुकारा, सुनत कृपाल वही दुख हारा। निज पति नीर भरी पुनि सींचा, अतस प्रेम कृपाल मन खींचा।
इस यात्रा में श्री राम, लक्ष्मण, ऋषि विश्वामित्र और ऋषि मुनियों की राक्षसों से रक्षा करने के लिए उनके आश्रम गए। तब वह क्षण केवल एक साधारण यात्रा नहीं थी, बल्कि धर्म की रक्षा के लिए प्रभु श्री राम और उनके भाई लक्ष्मण का पहला कदम था। जहिरज पावक सिखिपट बांधा, सो पुनि हृदय हर्षोति साधा। केहू मुनि पद श्रीपति राखा, पुनि पुनि चले सुरपति राखा।
तो आइए, ताड़कावत के बाद श्री राम ने अहिल्या को कैसे शाप मुक्त किया और कैसे धर्म और शौर्य की शक्ति ने अधम को पराजित किया, यह हम नाट्य रूप में देखते हैं।
गौतम नारी शाप बस, ऊपर देह धरि धीर। चरण कमल रज चाहती, कृपा करहु रघुवीर। कृपा करहु रघुवीर।
पर सत पद पावन, शोक न सावन। प्रगट भई तप पुंज सही, देखत रघुनायक जन सुखदायक। सन्मुख होय कर जोरी रही, सन्मुख होय कर जोरी रही।
अति प्रेम अधीरा, पुलक शरीरा। मुख नहीं आवे वचन कही, अतिशय बड़ भागी। चरण निरागी, जुगल नयन जलधार बही।
जुगल नयन जलधार बही।
धीरज मन कीन्हा, प्रभु बहु चीन्हा।
अरे बोल